Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the image and making a duplicate layer so you never overwrite the original. Select the text or region you want to recolor with Quick Selection, Lasso, or the Pen tool, and refine the edge by 1 to 3 pixels for cleaner transitions. Once selected, create a new fill or adjustment layer tied to that selection. This gives you editable color changes. Make sure to set the blend mode to normal to preview base changes, because that affects how color interacts with underlying tones. Now you refine the actual color using an adjustment layer like hue/saturation, color fill, or gradient map so the change remains non-destructive. Use hue to pick the new tint, saturation to control intensity, and lightness to match brightness. HSL adjustments let you harmonize with the scene. Then experiment with blend modes. Color preserves luminance, overlay boosts contrast, soft light is subtle. Adjust opacity between 10 and 100% until the recolor looks natural. Mask edges to blend seams smoothly. Finish by matching contrast and texture so the new color reads as part of the image. Add a curves or levels adjustment clip to your color layer and nudge midtones or highlights to blend. Once satisfied, export a flattened copy for delivery and keep the layered file for future edits. If colors look off, check the mask for stray pixels, ensure layer order is correct, and verify the blend mode. These 3 issues cause most problems. You can always toggle the adjustment to compare before and after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.